Hi there, guys. I'm coming at you with a video, a very short video. And I just want to show some items that I got, that I ordered. Forgive the cat hair on my shirt. I've been playing with my cat. I'm going to start out by showing this one. These are the bubble mask, bubble shield mask. And you put them on. Now, you can put them on a lot of different ways. You can put them on like this. And that thing I like about them is I can put them on with my glasses. And I know you can see my ring lights in here. Don't worry about that. But anyway, this is what they look like. And they are much more comfortable than the face mask. If you have a problem, you can breathe with them. And like I said, like you can see, you can wear them with your glasses. And that's one thing that's a must for me, because apart from these glasses, I can't read anything. But it is nice. It comes in a variety of colors. This is the one with the tint up top. And it's very comfortable. And now, if you have a problem like I do, my problem is they're so comfortable that I forget that I have them on. And I will start eating. And I remember I ran right into the mask. Here's another one. This is a different color one. And you can wear them like this. And they cover your lips. And if you feel more comfortable, you can wear a mask up under here if you want to. I don't. But this is really nice. This is a different color. And I got these from two different places. I got them from Amazon and eBay. And I mean, they are really, really nice. I mean, really nice. Forgive the gloves also. I'm in the process of soaking off my nails, so they look a mess. So I just put the gloves on for the video. But these look really nice, guys. And they fit so well. Now, this is another one. I got this one in today. And this one is one that has the color at the bottom. Now, I want to show you. You've seen what they look like with the glasses on, which you can wear them with your glasses. But this is what they look like without the glasses. And they come down really low. They're really nice. And this one is one that has the tint on the bottom and the top is clear. Really nice. I saw another YouTuber with one of these. I went in search of how to order these masks, and these shields. They're not masks, they're really shields. But they're on eBay and Amazon. I'll leave some links if you want to get from Amazon or eBay. I'll just leave a link for whatever you want. And they're nice. Like I said, they come in different colors. You have to check and see what color you like. I have 2 more out in the car. And so that's just the 3 that I have. And it's so much easier to breathe. You can just talk. And another thing is, when you talk, it does not fog up. Well, the problem that I was having is with my glasses, when I had the mask on and I talked, it will fog up my glasses. So this does not fog. This is without glasses. I say, if you have a problem with the cloth mask, these would be a very good option for you. And you can just clean them with Windex for mine. So I just wanted to come on here and show you that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye.